Usita? Babe, break down your outfit for the people. Dropped off our stuff at the Airbnb. Now we're headed straight to La Carraia Gelateria. Babe, break down your outfit. Really appreciate it. I'll be back. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Show me the hat.
Wait, the hat? So they gave me the 30th anniversary hat for free. They know what's up. They know what's up.
Yeah, because you
Lovely.
look like you love ice cream.
Alright, so while waiting for the bus, I do want to kind of go over what I use for photography. I don't have everything with me. I just have the 51.4 FL mount on an A1 body. That body is, I believe, full metal, and as you can see, it lets a lot of light in. It's really good for low light photography. Currently, I'm only using vintage glass on everything, except for my iPhone. Obviously, I do use an 11 Pro. Pretty nifty, pretty powerful. I really love taking photos with it. But yeah, I don't use any filters, just vintage glass on everything. It gives you that nice feel. Yeah, just minimal editing required. What do you use?
Rinko filter.
So she uses her Polaroid. What do you use? Instax, the Instax Square. So right now she's using the black and white. Do you like it?
I love it. So easy to use.
Yeah, it's so easy to use. She's hiding from the sun. But yeah, that's about it. iPhone, Sony A7C, vintage glass on everything, Canon A1, and I do have a Canon Snappy QT, Canon FT as well. And the bus is here, so we'll see you in the outlets. We're here at the mall. First stop would be Prada. Just checking things out. We're not buying anything. And maybe get coffee, a slice of cake at Gucci, and that's about it. And then we head back. She's definitely buying stuff. Look at that detail, bro. Babe, so far you haven't bought anything. Very good. But also... Also, a little tip, if you have old garment bags or any type of bags that come free with the brand, this one from Off-White is pretty nice. It has the zip lock, so it's really good for traveling. They're sturdy. Switching to the NBs, switching to orthotics really quick here. You know, we need that. Protect your back, protect your knees. 993s for today. Going to one of our favorite coffee spots in Florence. We're in this crazy, amazing plaza with the fake David. There it is. Babe. Cheers! So we're trying out this gelato place. Santa Trinita Gelato, gelateria. We'll see if it's good. Here in Florence we only really eat at La Carraia, so we'll see if it's okay. It's pretty good. The consistency, as you said, is really good. It's soft. It's really fine. It's not too creamy. It feels like they didn't add too much. It has that natural taste to it. The mandarin. Their pistachio puro is pretty good. Even the black sesame is really, really good. So, do you approve? Should we add this to our list? Okay, so we're adding Santa Trinita to our Florence lineup, but obviously in a couple hours we're going back to La Carraia Gelateria. So it's all good. It's all good. We love every style.
We finished all the pistachio.
Alright, so there's no more pistachio left. Allora, ciao bella. Love.
My team keep telling me I'm a star. No matter if any song get put on rap caviar. Growing, I feel grown. My window will never close. Like nobody wanna hear you a rapper when you get old. 23 years young, I'm working to never fold. Like whenever I do shows, know the people come out hella glued to what I do and what I speak out my mouth. Why these dudes only gon' do it for the money and clout, you know? The late nights I'm up, I go crazy, wondering what the future can hold. No more phases, why I don't pick up the phone, decline calls lately.